Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest and most delicious pumpkin pie of all time. I've been making this recipe for many years and it's always a hit. I've had several people tell me that they don't usually like pumpkin pie, but they love this one. It's made with just a handful of ingredients and I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. For the filling, you'll need a 300 milliliter can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups of pumpkin puree, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 eggs, and a dash of salt. Add all the ingredients into a large mixing bowl and mix the ingredients with a whisk until combined. Then you can pour your filling into your pie crust. You can make your own pie crust if you're feeling ambitious, but I've tried making my own a few times and I honestly prefer the taste of prepackaged pie crust, and it's actually cheaper than making your own. Next, you'll put your pie in the oven at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. Then reduce the heat to 350 and continue baking for another 45 minutes. Take it out of the oven and let it cool fully before serving. And that's it! It's super delicious topped with some whipped cream. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what sort of videos you'd like to see in the future. See you later!